Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we were discussing about print statement where we understood the use of print statement in QBasic. Now we are going to discuss about commands. So children, what is command? The single instruction in a program is referred as command. It is used in the statement for performing specific task. Okay, so the single instruction in a program is referred as command. It is used in the statement for performing specific task. Okay, so this is single instruction and each command having different function. Okay, it is made up of a single word. The different basic commands are CLS, this is clear screen. Okay, run, save as, delete, exit, etc. and each having different work. Now let's discuss one by one. So first we have CLS command or clear screen command. CLS means to clear the content of the output screen. So this helps us to clear the content of the output screen. It is generally given at the beginning of the program. You know very well, we used to give this CLS command in first line. Okay, it helps us to avoid the display of the previous output. If we don't give the CLS command, we'll get the output, but we'll get the output with previous program output. Okay, now let me show you. Now I'm going to write one program. Now I'm using CLS command. Okay, CLS print Don Bosco Academy. Okay, Academy print MCCLUSKIEUNG. Okay, now end. Now I'm going to run this program. Okay, you see the result, Don Bosco Academy McCluskey. Okay, now let me remove this CLS command and let me change the message. That means now I am writing another program. Okay, here I am writing happy birthday to you, Raj. Okay, now I'm going to run this program. You see the result. Now you can see we have written the program to print happy birthday to you, Raj, but in first or second line you can see Don Bosco Academy McCluskey also came. Okay, so this is why, because we haven't mentioned here CLS command. Okay, so this CLS command help us to clear the output screen. Okay, understood? This is the concept of CLS command. Okay, then we have run command. Run command is used in QBasic to execute the program. Just now I have shown you how to run the program. Okay, so this help us to execute our program. Okay, thus the output of the program will be available on the output screen. On output screen only we can see the output. This command can also be used by pressing F5. So either you have to use this option, run command, or you have to press F5 button from the keyboard. Okay, F5 button from the keyboard, and this is function key. Understood? This is function key. Okay, now see the difference between statement and command. Now what is the difference between statement and command? We have discussed about statement and we have discussed about command also. So now see the difference. First difference, these are the building block of a program. It is a single word to perform a specific task, and this is definition of both the points. Okay, statement, this is the definition. These are the building block of a program, and it is a single word to perform a specific task, and this is very important, children. Okay, so please learn. Now second point, these are the set of instruction to a program. Statement are these are the set of instruction to a program, and it is a single instruction. Statement we can say it's a collection of instruction, whereas command we can say it is a single instruction. Okay, this is set of instruction and this is single instruction. This is the main difference between statement and command. Okay, then we have some mathematical tasks in QBasic. The QBasic also perform different mathematical calculation. The symbols used for mathematical calculation in QBasic are listed below. Okay, for addition, this is the symbol. Okay, and syntax, we can write the expression like this: a plus b. Okay, a plus b, we can use this symbol. Then subtraction, this is the symbol. Now we can write the expression like this: a minus b. Multiplication, we have the asterisk sign here. Okay, this is the sign except in computer language for multiplication. Okay, understood? Computer accept this sign for multiplication. This is called asterisk. Okay, a asterisk b, a asterisk b. Okay, and this is for division, a by b we can say. Okay, let me show you one small program where we can use this symbol. Okay, so first CLS, let a equal to 10, let b equal to 20. Now let me take another variable, let c equal to, or let c equal to a plus b. Then let d equal to b minus a. Okay, now let e equal to a, this asterisk sign for multiplication, b. Okay, now let f equal to b by a. Okay, now we are going to print the variable c, print d, print e, print f, finally end. Now let me execute this program, and you know very well how to execute by clicking on this run option. Okay, now here you can see this is the addition, this is subtraction, this is multiplication, and this is division. A plus b, a having 10 and b having 20. 10 plus 20, 30. B minus a, b having 20 and a having 10. When we subtract 10 from 20, then we'll get 10. Now a into b, 20 into 10, 200, and b divided by a, 20. When we divide by 10, we'll get 2. So this is the answer. Okay, and these are the mathematical tasks in QBasic. Okay, which we can perform. Understood? So children, today whatever I have discussed with you, I hope each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.